Is your Kenmore washer acting up, showing error codes, stopping mid-cycle, or the control panel not responding? Don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to reset your Kenmore or Kenmore Elite washer. A reset can clear most common issues, including control panel glitches and error codes. Here's how you can do it. First, make sure the washer is in standby mode. That means it's plugged in, but not running. On the control panel, press the following buttons in sequence. Stop, start, stop, start. This puts the washer into diagnostic mode. Now, unplug the washer from the power outlet for about 1 full minute. Plug it back in and power it on. The system should now be reset. If you're still seeing an error code, run a short cycle to confirm the reset worked. In most cases, this clears out the issue and your washer will work like normal again. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Kenmore washer. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick appliance fixes, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.